Hello, I am ChessChuck. I'm glad to see you here. Have you ever been in a simple king and pawn endgame and had no idea what to do? Here is an endgame everyone should know. Let's start with a question. Is this a win for white or a draw? The answer, of course, is it depends who moves first. Believe it or not, if white moves first, it's a win. And if black moves first, it's a draw. So let's examine this position a bit further. If white moves first and plays the seemingly most natural move, pawn up to e4, it's a draw. The game would follow like this. And finally, white king to e6, stalemate. All right, let's analyze the same position again. The way for white to win is to play the king to d2 and move it in front of the pawn. The idea is to guard the path of the white pawn as it marches towards the coronation and becomes a queen. We have now reached a key position. If white plays pawn to e3, black will be able to make a draw by playing king to e6 and force opposition. Opposition is when two kings are opposing each other, and neither king can move forward. If the white king is not able to move forward, it cannot stay in front of the pawn, and the game will be drawn. The right move is to play white king to f5. To win the game, white king needs to be in front, guarding the path of the precious pawn, as if you are walking a little girl across a dangerous street. This is another key position. What do you think is the right move here? Of course, you must get into opposition. By placing king on e6, white forces the black king to move away from the pawn's coronation path. If black moves their king to d8, white should respond by moving their king to f7, and then the pawn will be on the path to becoming a queen. Remember to treat your pawn as your precious child, and let your king guide it across the dangerous journey to become a queen. Now let's go back to the initial position and see what happens if black moves first. The black king would move to e7, and the white king would not be able to get in front of the pawn and force the black king into opposition, resulting in a draw. Hope you enjoyed this video. King and pawn endgames look simple, but they are very tricky. Please remember the importance of opposition. Also remember, an active king in front of a pawn is better than a passive king behind it. Good luck in your chess battles. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to give us a like and click subscribe. See you next time.